Have you ever walked away from a conversation thinking I should have said something? Maybe someone interrupted you. Maybe they spoke to you rudely. Maybe they made you feel small in front of others. And hours later, you are still replaying it in your head. The truth is, disrespect hurts, not because of the words, but because it makes us question our worth. Today, let's talk about how to respond to disrespect in a way that protects your dignity, your peace, and your self respect. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rise with Chaitali. This is a space where we talk about career growth and confidence for women who wants to build their life on their own terms. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification on all my new upcoming videos. As a woman, many of us are taught to be polite, understanding, and accommodating. So, when someone disrespects us, we often choose one of the two below extremes. We either stay silent and suffer, or we react emotionally and regret it later. But there is a third option, responding with strength. Not anger, not silence, strength. And once you learn this skill, it changes your confidence forever. Let's talk about how you can handle disrespects without losing your self respect and mental peace. Pause before you react. First thing to remember is disrespect is often designed to trigger an emotional reaction. The moment someone speaks rudely, your heart races, your emotion rise. You want to defend yourself immediately. But powerful people don't react instantly. They pause, take a breath, look at the person, and create a moment of silence. That silence is powerful because it shows you are in a control of yourself. Not everyone deserves immediate access to your emotion. Sometimes the strongest response is to simply say, I'm not okay with the way you were speaking to me. Just calm, clear, and direct. No shouting, no explanation, just clarity. Don't try to prove your worth. This is where many women struggles. Someone criticizes us, makes a disrespectful comment, and suddenly we start explaining ourselves, defending ourselves, trying to prove our value. But listen carefully. People who respect you don't need proof, and people who determine to disrespect you won't be convinced by explanation. Your value does not decrease because someone fails to see it. Think about that for a second. A diamond does not become a stone because someone calls it stone. The next time someone disrespects you, remind yourself, I don't need to convince anyone of my worth. That mindset alone changes everything. Set boundaries without feeling guilty. Many women fear boundaries because they don't want to seem rude. But boundaries are not rude. Disrespect is rude. There is a huge difference. If someone repeatedly talks down to you, you can say, I would appreciate being spoken to respectfully. If someone keeps crossing a line, you can say, I'm not comfortable with that conversation. If someone constantly disrespects your time, you can say, that does not work for me. Notice something. No long explanation, no apologies, no guilt. The people who benefit from your lack of boundaries are often the ones who get upset when you finally create them. And that's okay. Your job is not to keep everyone comfortable. Your job is to protect your peace. Sometimes the best response is distance. This lesson took me a long time to learn. Not every battle needs a response. Not every person deserves your energy. Sometimes people show you exactly who they are, and your response is not another conversation, it's distance. You stop chasing, you stop explaining, you stop seeking understanding from people committed to misunderstanding you. Because peace is expensive, and you cannot afford to spend it on people who repeatedly disrespect you. One of the strongest things that women can do is walk away from the environment that constantly makes you feel small, whether it's a friendship, a workplace, or a relationship. Distance is not weakness, distance is wisdom. Before we end, I want you to remember something. Disrespect from others is painful, but the real damage happens when we start disrespecting ourselves. When we stay silent, even though we are hurt, when we tolerate behavior, when we know we don't deserve that, when we shrink ourselves to keep others comfortable. You deserve respect not because of your job, not because of your achievements, but because you are a human being. The next time someone disrespects you, don't lose your peace trying to win the argument. Protect your dignity, protect your boundaries, protect yourself. Because the confidence isn't about speaking the loudest, it is about knowing your worth even when others fail to recognize it. If this message resonated with you, comment below. I choose self respect. And if you are a woman who wants more confidence, career, and emotional strength, subscribe to Rise with Chaitali, because every week we are building stronger, wiser, and more confident women together. See you in the next video.